Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download DaVinci Resolve on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. Now here on the search bar, search here for the DaVinci Resolve download. Now go to this link DaVinci Resolve 21 and just wait till the website is loading. So here you can see we are on the official page of DaVinci Resolve, which is of black magic design. So now scroll down and here you can see here is a button free download now. Now click on it. So here you have to select your operating system. So as I want to download DaVinci Resolve, which is available for free. So as I am on the Windows, so I will click here on the Windows. So here is a form which you have to fill. So just let me fill here and then I will show you how the downloading will start. So just wait. So here you can see as I have already filled the form and click on register. Here is a button showing. Clicking on it, the DaVinci Resolve will be downloading. So let's wait. So as you can see here, downloading has been started. So let me open here on the full screen. So here you can see downloading has been started. So let's wait till the downloading ends and then I will show you how can you install it on your computer. So let's wait. So now as you can see here, DaVinci Resolve has been downloaded. Now by clicking on it, or can say by clicking here show in folder, you can check it into the file manager. Now double click it. So here you can see the DaVinci Resolve is here. So it is actually downloaded into zip file. So we have to extract it before installing. So for extraction, right click and then click on this extract all. Then click on extract. So here you can see the extraction has been in process. So it can take a few seconds according to your SSD speed or can say hard drive speed. So here you can see it is now extracting on my computer. So it actually convert the zip file into the exe file. So here you can see it is now extracted and a new folder has been created with the name of DaVinci Resolve. So if you want, you can delete the older file like this one. This is zip file. So you can delete it. So as you can see here, a new folder has been created and inside it, here is a zip file. Oh, sorry, an exe file. So by double click it on it, the launcher has been launched. So as you can see here, it is now extracting the file to install it on my computer. It takes around 3 minutes to launch the installer. So while you are installing, you have to wait. So as you can see here, the launcher has been launched. Now click on install. So here you can see it is now verifying the installer. So now it is installing DaVinci Resolve control panels. So as you can see here, it is showing wait, this operation could take some time. Actually, it is of around 3.5 GB. So it actually takes time to install. So as you can see here, the pop-up has been launched. Now click on next. So you have to accept the terms and condition to install it. So if you want to read, you can read it from here. So after accepting it, you can click on next. So if you want to change the installation location, you can change from here. So I will let it be the same. Now click on again next. Now click on install. So here you can see it is now installing. So let's wait. So as you can see here, the installation has been completed. Now click on finish. So here is a pop-up, installation complete. Again click on OK. Now you can cut this. Now click on the, or can say tap on the window key. Now search here for the DaVinci. So here you can see it is showing. Now click on open to launch it on your computer. So it can actually take time into launching too. So this is all up to your computer's specifications. So here you can see it is showing what is new in the DaVinci Resolve 21. So you can check out. Then click on continue. Then click on start. So as you can see here, DaVinci Resolve is launching on my computer. So if any pop-up shows again on your computer, click on allow. These are actually show because of the firewall protection. So it needs some network access to from your computer. So that's why those are showing. So from here, by clicking on it, new project, you can start the new project. So let's say I will name this new project 1. So here you can see we are inside the DaVinci Resolve, and now you can import the files on your from your computer into the DaVinci Resolve and start editing them. So it is actually a free software, or can say the best free software available for the desktop to edit the videos. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.